Okay, so the last video took place like 4 days ago, and I don't really remember exactly how far along we were, but dining room again, kitchen area, living room area, and the main bathroom, and the guest room right now. All these have OSB board on them. There's our doorway, and turn around here. This will eventually be, it's kind of hard to tell, this will eventually be a closet area under the stairs. And this little spot right here is going to be a bookshelf, a triangular shaped built-in bookshelf. And put our stairs in on the landing here so you can walk upstairs. Temporary stairs for the time being. And up to the second floor landing where you get the two main rooms upstairs. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and then the bathroom. So bedroom 1, this is where we're hoping to put the bed, if it fits. There's a view out of bedroom 1 window. The chimney next door. And the Wachovia building. Clarion building in the distance. Bloomsbury condos. And the RBC tower right there too. Just kind of a cool view. And then out the front of the bedroom window, it's kind of a view of Boylan Heights area. So back in here, we're going to take out half of this wall and put in French doors right here, so that we can have this room over here as a sitting room / my spot to hang out and watch TV if I'm not ready to go to bed yet. A couple windows in this room, looking out to my truck below and some of the other houses that are finished or getting finished. And then back out of the sitting room into the bathroom right here, with a big window which will be over the toilet. Not sure how I feel about that yet. And this was our newest addition. This was not originally planned to be here, but we decided that it would be good to have this extra space in here, which we could finish later, for storage, HVAC, ducting, and anything else that we figure out we need to put in here for the time being. So that's our house so far. The roof trusses have been ordered and are on the way. The windows have been ordered and are on the way, and plumbing and all that kind of stuff will happen soon as well.